If you're looking for an amazing oasis on Tucson's east side for under $300,000, you'll want to stick around. We have the perfect property to show you today.
Let's get to it.
Welcome back, or if you're new to this channel and you want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Jennifer, and this is my husband,
Dustin Smith.
And we've helped hundreds of people just like you move to
and from
Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, we've got you covered. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona. All right, so before we take you inside this beautiful property and show you everything it has to offer, let's talk about the area.
Yeah, the east side of Tucson really does have a lot to offer. So right off the bat, we're really close to the Davis-Monthan Air Force Base. And with that, there's basically a whole economy that surrounds the Air Force Base. So we have hospitals nearby, we have schools, we have lots of different restaurants. We're only about 15 minutes away from the Park Place Mall, which is the major mall in the area. And of course, recreation. There's a couple of major parks that are basically like a mile and 2 miles away.
You could walk there if you really wanted to.
And people do in this neighborhood all the time.
Yeah.
So the closest park is actually gonna be Lakeside Park, that's the second closest park.
Yeah.
I'll get right back to that one. Lincoln Park is the closest one.
Yep.
There they have baseball fields, soccer fields. They have the Clement Center right there too. So the Clement Center has outdoor pool, high diving board, water slide. I mean, pretty fun. I mean, basically like a small water park right there. Splash pad for the kiddos.
Yep.
So it only costs $3 per person to get in. Sometimes they just wave you in for free. Definitely fun if you're on the east side. People do come from further away than right here to go visit the Clemens Center.
Yeah, and they have indoor and outdoor basketball there too.
Yeah, absolutely. Big covered outdoor basketball court.
Amazing.
Yeah, absolutely awesome. And then of course they do have hiking and jogging trails, which I frequently use.
Yep.
So you can actually, it's about 3 miles to go around the entire park, including Upper and Lower Lincoln, or Lower Lincoln now includes the Wagon Tails Dog Park. So it's actually 3 dog parks there that they rotate out and use 2 of them all the time, small dogs, medium and large dogs.
Yep.
And yeah, grass surface down there, you know, easy on the dog paws, especially important here in Tucson where it does get hot and people worry about, you know, hurting their puppy's paws.
Absolutely.
And that second park, Lakeside Park, just a little bit further away, is actually fully stocked with fish. So you can go there, go fishing. They also have playgrounds right there. They have walking trails. They have some big trees, lots of grass. Overall, just an enjoyable place, beautiful views, go hang out.
Absolutely. And I mean, really, this is just such a convenient location on Tucson's east side. We're pretty close to Kolb, which can take you down towards I-10, Valencia. So within 20 minutes, you can be to the airport. Within 20 minutes, you can be downtown Tucson. I mean, really anywhere that you could need to go or any close by shopping is going to be around here, and a lot of good dining options as well.
Yeah, we're only about 15 to 20 minutes away from each Raytheon site as well.
Yeah. All right, so now let's talk about the property. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1121 square feet. It was built in 1976, although you wouldn't know it from the inside, and it's on a 0.18 acre lot. What's really nice about this, not only is that a really good size lot for this area, but it also borders like a common area to the right side of the home, which would be the south side right there. And it just open space right there. And then there's also the RV parking next to the carport.
Yeah, basically that huge empty lot over there is just going to give you a bunch of extra space.
Absolutely. Now, as far as when you go into the property, like I said, I mean, everything has really been thought of. Everything's been updated. Brand new cabinets, countertops, butcher block, beautiful lighting. You have new doors and windows. You have a newer AC unit. The roof has been recoated. We have a newer electrical panel, newer pool equipment. You have the pool in the backyard that is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it'd probably be easier to name off the things that they didn't do over the last couple of years. This is probably one of the best, most meticulously cared for homes, and possibly the best home in the neighborhood.
Absolutely. And if we didn't mention it already, this house is listed at $299,900. So on Tucson's east side, to find something like this under $300,000 that has been updated and had all the mechanicals taken care of, so you don't have to worry about that, it's pretty rare. So
Yeah, it's going to be a challenge to find that.
absolutely. So let's take you on in so you can see what we're talking
Yeah,
about.
let's go take a look.
As we enter in, we have this large living room area. And before I take you into that beautiful kitchen, we're gonna go check out the bedrooms. So 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the bathrooms have been updated. As you can see, granite counter for the vanity, the beautiful tile. Bedroom number 2. Lots of storage too. I don't know if you noticed all of the closets, but a lot of storage in this house. This is the primary. This bathroom has also been updated. Check out that beautiful tile shower. Granite countertops as well. Now for my 2 favorite parts of this house, the stunning kitchen. And Dustin, no. The stunning kitchen. So that is acacia butcher block on the counters. You have stainless steel appliances, brand new cabinets, and it has the soft clothes on there, new lighting, just absolutely gorgeous. And then the best part is this stunning outdoor oasis. So you have a nice large covered patio. Step out here, you have real grass and turf, beautifully landscaped, sparkling pool with newer pool equipment. Look at that swirl. I mean, just absolutely amazing. This property packs a ton of character and updates and just all of the features that you could want for under $300,000. All right, so thank you for touring this beautiful new property on Tucson's east side with us today. If you have any questions about this property or any comments, drop them below. We always love to hear from you. And if you or anyone you know is thinking about moving to or from Tucson, Arizona, give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and let us help you make that smooth move. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so we can keep you updated on the current market in Tucson, Arizona.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.